Now, children, today we are going to start with chapter unit 3, that is brain twister and living senses. So, in this, we will start with chapter number 26, odd one out. One picture in each group does not belong to the group. Put cross to the order picture. जो odd picture है आपको उसको cross रखना है. All are animals, only one is bird. So you have to put cross on the. All are fruits. Brinjal is vegetable. So you have to put cross over here. All are land transport and there is only one air transport, that is there. All are insect. One is red, that is animal. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 27, find the missing. So there are some things missing in picture B. You have to mark this. Here you can see there are 3. Here it is 2 only. Here it is mice, there is no one. Here this is yellow light, here it is green light. There is ball, there is no ball. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 28, anagrams. So, anagrams are the words which are formed from the letter of other word, that is dam forms mat, dog forms god. So, look at this and form a aerogram like BAT bat and TAB tab. BAT pat and TAP tab. BAN ban and AB nab. Moti mot TOM tom. Like this you have to make. MAN man, NAN nan. DEW dew, WED wet. Like this you have to make the aerograms, other one you will make yourself. Now our chapter has been completed. Let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number flowers fairies. Write the names of these beautiful flowers. Here the flowers has been given. You have to write their names. This is lotus. Tulip. Daffodil. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 30, color time. So complete the cross based on the color. So first one is gray and downward is green. This is blue and this is color of the sky is blue. The color of the brinjal is purple. The name of a fruit, orange. The opposite of black is white. The color of crow, black. The color of chocolate is brown. The color of sunflower, yellow. Mixing red and white gives pink. And the color of rose is red. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 31, notes and their country. So if we talk about the different, इंडिया में रुपी होता है, चाइना में येन होता है, यूएसए में डॉलर होता है, सो यूएसए में पाउंड होता है, यूके में पाउंड होता है, यूएई में दिरहम होता है, पाकिस्तान में भी रुपी है और जापान में क्या है आपका येन, युआन. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 32, largest in the world. So largest, you have to fill the largest one. Largest continent, Asia. Largest ocean, Pacific. Largest desert, Atacama. Largest river, Nile. आइसलैंड कौन सा है आपका? ग्रीनलैंड. Largest, that is largest living tree, that is jade sequoia. Largest country, Russia. Largest bird, that is ostrich. Largest flower कौन सा है आपका? Rafflesia. Largest animal, that is your blue whale. Blue whale क्या है हमारा largest animal है. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number famous monuments. Here are the pictures of favorite famous monuments given. Leaning Tower of Pisa, Eiffel Tower, Christ, Reindeer, that is France, Statue of Liberty, India. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter. 34, we have hidden shapes. Every solid things around us has some definite shape. Look at the given picture. You have to write down how many rectangles are there. So we have 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. We have 12 square. And triangle we have 4 triangle. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is smallest in the world. So chapter number 35, the smallest country, that is Vatican City. Smallest continent, Australia. Smallest ocean, smallest bird is hummingbird. Smallest animal is smallest mammal. Smallest river, that is Repura. Smallest island. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is healthy salads. So do you eat salad? The healthy and the tasty mixture of fruits and vegetables. Given below are some vegetables that you eat as salad. You have to identify and write the correct number. First is carrot. Second is your lettuce. Third one is clary. Fourth is broccoli. Fifth is your radish. Sixth is tomato. Seven is capsicum. Eighth is mushroom. Right? These are the different vegetables. Now let's study with chapter number 37, that is sex around the world. You have to write the facts, that is largest ocean, South China Sea, largest desert, Sahara, longest river कौन सी है? Nile river, highest waterfall कौन सा आपका? Angel Fall, largest continent is Asia, smallest continent is Australia. Largest country, Russia. And smallest country is Vatican City. Highest mountain, Mount Everest. Deepest part क्या है ocean का? That is Mariana Trench. Right? So our unit 3 has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.